Power. Strength. Speed. Incredible ability to handle any situation thrown at them. Bears are ferocious, and when it comes to their cubs, beware. A mother bear knows no limits when it comes to protecting her young. And nothing is going to come between them as long as she's alive. Bear cubs play as much as any youngsters. Males usually stay alone after separating from their mother. Bears are fast, running up to 30 miles per hour. They eat a different variety of foods: nuts, berries, rodents and fish. Larger bears have larger prey like small deer and rabbit. Polar bears hunt seal, and scavenge for whatever they find in the ice. Bears are great at fishing. Cubs usually stay with their mother for 2 years. They are great swimmers. Polar bears' fur is waterproof, enabling them to bear the extreme temperatures of the Arctic weather. Black bears can climb trees like a cat. Sun bears too. Adult male black bears range from about 130 to 190 centimeters, 50 to 75 inches, in length and weigh 60 to 300 kilograms, 130 to 660 pounds. Females measure from 130 to 190 centimeters, 50 to 75 inches, and weigh 40 to 80 kilograms, 90 to 175 pounds. The largest polar bear ever recorded was found in Alaska. At 12 feet tall, it boasted a weight of over 2,000 pounds. Yet, this is an outlier when it comes to how much polar bears weigh. On average, adult females weigh less than 600 pounds. Males weigh only a little more than 1,500 pounds. While polar bears may be considered the largest of the bear species, it was not a win by a landslide. In fact, when it comes to size, polar bears and grizzly bears are neck and neck. Not literally, though, as where polar bears stand at around 5 feet at the shoulders, grizzly bears are just a little more than 3 feet, and they can weigh as much as 1,700 pounds.